Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're unveiling the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025, the most revolutionary future gadget yet. In this detailed reveal, we dive into the top 5 techno innovations, AI-powered enhancements, official pricing, launch timeline, pre-order dates, and everything the Techno Trend Zone community needs to know. Considering upgrading to the latest mega-spec flagship phone? Let's explore all the rumored upgrades, insider leaks, and new design accents. Stick around until the end for a comprehensive breakdown. Bigger and better battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max continues its legacy as Apple's flagship powerhouse, now boasting a slightly thicker chassis, about 0.5mm thicker, to accommodate a larger battery. It's engineered for users who demand all-day endurance. Combined with the new adaptive energy mode in iOS 26, which dynamically manages power via AI algorithms, this could deliver a seismic jump in battery longevity and smart power optimization. The goal: more screen-on time and ultra-efficient energy use all day long. Monster camera with ultra-zoom and mobile cinema. Photography enthusiasts, take note. The 17 Pro Max introduces a dramatically enlarged camera module stretching nearly across the back. It pairs a 48MP periscope-style telephoto lens capable of 8 times optical zoom, pushing far beyond prior zoom capabilities. Supercharged for mobile movie making, it supports 8K video capture and a unique dual-stream video feature allowing simultaneous front/back recording, ideal for vlogging, interviews, or cinematic Instagram Reels creation. Advanced vapor chamber cooling system. High-resolution video recording and intense AI tasks generate heat. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to upgrade to a vapor chamber thermal system, much like next-gen gaming hardware, providing superior heat dissipation during heavy use. This tech ensures sustained performance in heat-intensive tasks, enabling smoother 8K recording or high frame-rate gaming, a major win for tech enthusiasts pursuing uninterrupted performance. Next-gen connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 and Apple modem connectivity takes a leap forward with Wi-Fi 7 support, promising ultra-low latency, multi-user performance, and blazing throughput. Apple is also rumored to include its own new 5G modem architecture for faster downloads, improved signal stability, and seamless roaming transitions. The result: robust, future-proof cyber connectivity for streaming, cloud gaming, and real-time AI interactions. Bold new accent color, vibrant orange design. Rumors suggest Apple is adding a bold new orange hue to its Pro line, a dramatic departure from muted staples such as graphite and silver. This vibrant accent shade channels modern style and stands out in accessories and social media snapshots. Expect color options like sunset orange, midnight graphite, and arctic silver for a refreshing aesthetic twist. Revolutionary upgrades and techno trend features. In addition to these top 5 highlights, here are extra features and cutting-edge upgrades making this device a game-changer. AI-accelerated UI personalization with Apple's new internal AI engine, delivering smarter Siri responses, intelligent camera suggestions, contextual app optimizations, and adaptive app behavior. An always-on display powered by LTPO OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth animations and minimal battery drain. USB-C port with USB 4 speeds, delivering enhanced data throughput and broader compatibility across devices. Eco-friendly packaging, continuing Apple's push toward more sustainable tech, reduced plastic, recycled materials, and carbon-neutral shipping. Pricing breakdown, transparent and competitive. Latest pricing insights suggest iPhone 17 starting at $799, iPhone 17 Pro up by $50, at $1,049, iPhone 17 Pro Max also up by $50, priced at $1,249. These figures position the flagship tier as a premium, yet consistent step up from previous generations, keeping Apple's value-driven premium strategy intact. Timeline, launch event, pre-orders and release. Apple is expected to unveil the new lineup during its customary September product showcase. Speculated dates: launch event, week of September 8, 2025, with September 9 or 10 being most likely. Pre-orders begin September 12. Retail availability, September 19, following Apple's typical rollout rhythm. This coordinated strategy ensures a smooth pre-order to in-store timeline, offering users precision around how to secure early access. Comprehensive recap and ranking optimization. Let's recap the standout highlights that make the iPhone 17 Pro Max worthy of your attention, and why this video is tuned to rank high across YouTube with the right keywords: adaptive energy and battery life, iOS 20 SIXS AI-based adaptive power. Deliver smarter, longer battery durations. Ultra-zoom and mobile cinema, high-res 48MP periscope lens with 8 times optical zoom, dual-stream 8K video recording, evaporation chamber cooling, unique thermal management for intensive processing and filming. Wi-Fi 7 and Apple modem Future-ready connectivity for high-speed internet and ultra-stable cell service. Eye-catching orange color, bold design shift aimed at style-conscious buyers and tech lovers. AI enhancements, personalized UI, smarter Siri, contextual app suggestions, proactive performance tuning. Always-on OLED and USB-C with USB 4, best-in-class display and data speeds across device ecosystem. Sustainability initiatives, eco-friendly packaging and minimal plastic footprint, with keywords like AI-powered enhancements, ultra-zoom photography, adaptive energy mode, next-gen Wi-Fi, cyber connectivity, and techno-innovations. This script is naturally enriched for search visibility and algorithmic relevance. Closing. If you're excited about the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025, curious about how adaptive energy, ultra-zoom, or Wi-Fi 7 works in real life, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future deep dives and gadget breakdowns. This device isn't just another annual upgrade, it's a convergence of AI-powered intelligence, modular design evolution, and cyber connectivity enhancements. From next-level camera zoom to ventilation breakthroughs, it's set to redefine the mobile flagship category. Stay tuned on Techno Trend Zone. Peace, tech lovers, and see you next time.